Good evening, everyone. Happy Sunday to you. Ethan Stieber here with Stieber Weather Forecasting. We got a long-range video today talking about basically what the week's going to look like. We're going to talk some rain chances later tonight into the first part of the day tomorrow, and then some mild temperatures kind of throughout the week. So dive right in first. Let's talk temperatures right off the bat. So temperatures are going to be pretty warm here the first couple days this week. First up on your screen is forecast high temperatures for tomorrow. This is for Monday afternoon. Notice mid-50s around the area, so we're looking pretty good for tomorrow, for the day on Monday. Tuesday, we start to cool down a little bit. The first wave of rain will be through, and kind of the first little bit of the front will have been through at that point. So we're going to knock some temperatures down, going from the mid-50s on Monday back into the mid-40s on Tuesday, and that's all because of this rain that's moving in. On your screen is we're going to start looking at some radar starting at about 6 p.m. tonight, so right about the time I'm recording this. Scattered showers will start to fill in through the area tonight, Sunday night. Those will overspread the area as we get close to midnight. Here's midnight now. Rain showers have been through the area this evening, moving off kind of to our north by the time midnight rolls around for Monday morning. We'll be left over with a couple rain showers for the commute, especially the further north you are in the area. And then pretty much a dry day on Monday. Notice the winds are still going to be out of the south and west on Monday. That's what's going to keep that warmer air, those warmer temperatures in, again, with highs looking in the mid-50s. As we go into the night on Monday night, this is when the actual cold front will slide through there. You see it sliding through there as we go into the early hours of Monday morning, or Tuesday morning, rather. Winds change direction and come out of the northwest. That's what's going to bring in that's what's going to start to usher in that really cooler air. If we look long-term on future radar here, we'll pick this up about Thursday at midnight. And notice Thursday looks dry. Friday looks dry as well. Rain starts to move back in, maybe for the day on Friday. It's still a couple days out, though, yet. So rain possibly for the day on Friday into Saturday before it clears the picture for the day Sunday. Temperatures, like I said, are going to take a hit from this cold front moving through on Tuesday. Highs on Wednesday look to stay just barely above freezing. Thursday, kind of the same picture north of I-70. We're looking at maybe below freezing high temperatures. Everyone south of I-70, we may be hovering right around that 32, 33 degree mark, give or take a little bit warmer as you go further to the south, but still generally pretty cold across the area. Temperatures will moderate, though, with those rain showers and some southerly wind flow coming in for the day on Friday, with highs in the mid-40s, mid to upper 40s for some of us. Saturday, again, same picture, about mid-40s across the area. And then for your day on Sunday, much of the same thing. So after we get through this cool spell on Tuesday and Wednesday, with highs kind of hovering right around the freezing mark and a little bit cooler northwesterly wind, temperatures do look to improve as we go later on into the week. If we end this with the Climate Prediction Center outlooks as we do, this is the 6 to 10 day. This will take us up to a week before Christmas. Saturday, December 14th to Wednesday, December 18th. High looks like warmer than average temperatures forecasted for much of the country, if not the entire country, on the 8 to 14 day, taking us to the Sunday before Christmas. Still looking at some above average temperatures. Precip looks to stay slightly above average on the 6 to 10 day, and about equal chances on the 8 to 14 day. I will say you'll probably start to see some things on Facebook this week about a potential storm system coming up for Christmas Eve, or somewhere in that time frame. There's a lot of variables out there. Models are just starting to even see out that far yet. So you're going to see a lot of things come up. What I can tell you right now is there looks like there could be a storm system in the general state vicinity for Christmas Eve into Christmas Day, somewhere in that time frame. I have no idea the track of it yet. I have no idea the intensity of it yet, which means we really don't know what precip we're talking about yet. But just know that there's going to be a lot of things floating around on Facebook this week, or on social media in general, about a big snow system or a big storm system coming through towards the Christmas time period. While there could be a storm system somewhere in the area, it's just too early to tell yet. So I'll keep you posted once the models kind of start agreeing a little bit more. Once we get a couple days into the models being able to see this storm system and kind of agreeing a little bit more on what could happen, I'll start to share that with you. But just know that you'll start to see that this week on social media. Take it with a grain of salt, because anything 17 days in advance that computers are predicting are, usually pretty inaccurate, and they're just going to change a lot between now and then. So there's my 2 cents on the Christmas storm system right now. Rain chances tonight into the first part of Monday. Cold weather comes in Tuesday, Wednesday, with highs right around in the 30s before we start to moderate towards the end of the week. Enjoy your week. Hopefully you're enjoying my short form little out the door forecast. Look for those about 7 a.m. every single weekday morning. Hope you have a great week. Stay tuned. Keep checking the Facebook page, and I will keep posting those out the door forecasts.